Welcome to another IT Under 3. This time we're going to be talking about Naviance, its planning, features, tests, and more. So moving on, you should go onto Clever and click on the Naviance button. It'll help you sign in almost immediately. And then after that, we're going to focus on the Self-Discovery tab and the Planner tab. These both are really important into figuring out how to achieve your goals and what goals you want to set. So moving on to self-discovery, there are three things that we're going to focus on, which is the AchieveWorks Intelligence Quiz, the AchieveWorks Personality Quiz, and the Strength Explorer. These are all tests and quizzes that are going to help you understand what career cluster you want to be a part of, and I've already taken the Strength Explorer. And it's going to tell you about your top three themes, basically what you are going to work towards, and it gives you your related career pathways. And that's the point of a lot of these tests. It's just to help you find a good career cluster or just a field that you might be best suited for. And the intelligence quiz works in the same way, where you take the test and it tells you what you are most intelligent in. This test, like the other ones, are going to connect back to your career path or career path that is best for you. And it'll tell you what you are most intelligent in. So things like linguistic intelligence or existential intelligence, those are things that are important for determining what type of career you want to go into. And once you scroll down, you'll see these recommended careers, which again is the whole point of these tests. Knowing what career you want to pick can help you pick a major, and moving on, this personality test does the same. I ran through it, but I suggest you take time and work through it, and it'll give you more information on what personality you have, but also what careers you can pursue. So definitely spend some time and look at these quizzes and tests and work through them. Moving on, we have the Planner tab up above, and it has a calendar that shows you any tasks or to-do assignments that have been assigned to you by your counselor, and it's really important that you do them, especially seniors, because it will help your counselors reach out to you and offer you more help. And then you can also set goals. Goals are really important, I feel like, for juniors and sophomores who want to set these goals and work towards getting more scholarships or getting a better GPA. One of them might be getting a 1300 on the SAT, which is not an easy feat in my opinion. And the good thing is Naviance does have a feature where you can set that goal, but you have access to a wonderful test prep feature that is in Naviance once you click on the home screen. And once you get to the home tab, you'll scroll down and there it is. There's a test prep option for you for both the ACT and SAT, and you'll be saving a lot of money this way because people spend on average $50 to $2,000 on test prep. So definitely utilize Naviance, especially as junior and senior year come along. But aside from that, if you need any help signing in, please reach out to our IT department, and if you need help using Naviance, please reach out to your school counselor. Thank you.